In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for wrapping bumpers in 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 G12 Gloss Black. This film features 3M's new protective film layer, which greatly reduces surface impressions and prevents installation-related scratching. Use masking tape to cover headlights and blinkers to prevent any unwanted adhesion. The use of drop-in templates is recommended for any areas of the bumper which cannot be completed in one piece, such as these radiator scoops. Use masking tape and a Sharpie to trace the outline of the panel, and cut the corresponding piece out of 3M wrap film. Use knifeless tape along edges of all the panels to get a clean cut, especially in areas where the film will later be overlapped. Use a bumper pole and a heat gun to evenly stretch the material all along the bumper, ensuring it lays flat across all the prominent body lines. Make any necessary relief cuts over radiator intakes, headlights, or other features which will not be wrapped. This allows the film to relax without jeopardizing the overall wrap quality. To remove any trapped air, use a heat gun and an air release tool, slowly warming the film up and pushing the air out towards the bleed hole. The entire bumper can be wrapped with the protective film layer on, but always remember to post heat after its removal.